How do you change the theme in Openshot? Let's figure that out right now. Okay, how do you change your theme in Openshot? Okay, what you do, you go up to, go settings and see your file name and go to theme, change the theme to dark or humanity dark. That should be that. I'm gonna exit out now. Okay, I'm back. First, what you do. Okay, second, what you do is do the same thing, but this looks like the oh no, this looks like the other light theme. You can see there. Now, go up to. Alright, go where the light theme is. It's light now. Go to dark. I see in a bit when it should be dark. Okay, it's dark now. That's how you change the theme in Openshot. Okay, that's it.